Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the background color in Notion. The first thing you need to do is to log in to your Notion workspace, which of course I have done right here. And how do you do that? Go ahead and open notion.so and log into your account. The next thing you need to do is to navigate to the page by going to the page where you want to change the background color. Now, this is a page which I found which I can find in the left navigation panel, and that's To Do. Now go ahead and click on the To Do as a page in itself. For you to change the background color, all you need to do is to click on the 6 handle or the 6 dot handle, which you can find right next to in the block in the page in To Do. So here we have this 6 handle, the 6 dot handle. Click on that, and then it's going to open up a couple of options, which includes suggest, you have ask AI, you have delete, you have duplicate, you have turning to, you have copy link to block, you have move to, and of course you have color. Now go ahead and click on color. Now once you click on color, it takes you to a wide array of options. Like you can set the color to default or to gray, to brown, to orange, to yellow, to green, to blue, to purple, to pink, to red. And if you scroll all the way down to the other category, it has the background options. Now there are a couple of options, background colors that you can choose from. You have the default background, you have the gray background, you have brown background, you have orange background, you have yellow background, green background, blue background, purple background, pink background, and of course you have the red background. Now go ahead and select any of the background colors to suit your fancy. Here I have orange as my background color. So you see that this background color has been set to orange. So if I go ahead and type something, write a book, you see that my background color has now been changed to orange. So I can go ahead and select that again and click on color, and of course choose from the color options. I like blue, and you see the blue, or it has been changed to blue. Just go ahead and change the background color for any block that you have. You can go ahead and click on enter and enter into something nice. And so once you click on enter, you see that the background color doesn't of course apply to other options, because Notion does not have an inbuilt feature that allows you to change the background color for an entire page. So it means you have to change the background color for each blocks. This is just how you can customize it to be. So you can just go ahead and click and keep on changing the background color for each block. You do that manually by sustaining the exact color that you used, or you can go ahead and make it more colorful. Like me, I just like colors, so I can just make each block colorful, and I make this one pink, and that's pretty much, now that has been changed to pink. I'll just go ahead and keep on making something that looks like a rainbow page. So just go ahead and customize this. This is how you can change the background color for each block on Notion. Of course, you can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.